Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is an update from IBPS Specialist Officers. Yes, SO post. Okay, so here you can see the detailed notification is updated on the 1st August. When you will click here, you can see this detailed notification. So let's have a detailed discussion. So common recruitment process for the recruitment of SO means specialist officers in participating banks. Okay, for the vacancies of 2025 and 26. Okay, so now here they will take, first of all they will have their online examination. So the online examination prelims and main for the upcoming common recruitment process for the recruitment and selection of personnel in SO. Okay, and here you can see I'm talking about the IT officer, as they are having lots of the categories. So first category is for the IT officer, scale 1 agriculture, feed is also there, Raj Bhasha, law officer, HR, marketing. But I'm talking about IT officer because in this IT officer engineering students are eligible for applying here. Okay, so let's check it out. As this is a very long PDF of 55 pages, you can see each and every detail, although I will cover the important things also here. So online registration including edit or modification of application by candidates, it will be there from 1st August to 21st August 2024, dear students. Okay, payment of application fees or intimation charge will be 1st to 21st August only. Download of call means you can download the call letter in October 2025. Online examination pre will be there in November 2024. Okay, not 25, my mistake, 24, October 24, and this will be November 24. Result will be there for the prelims in the November or December 24, and then they will have the mains exam in the December 24. So this is the simple process. They are having two-step exam. First will be the prelims, which will be there in the November 24, and then the, if you will selected in the pre, then you will you need to appear for the mains also, which will be in the December 2024. For application form, it's already started from 1st August. Last date will be 21st August for filling the application form or for filling the means for paying the fees also. Okay, so then the interview will be there in February or March 25, and then the provisional allotment will be there. So as this is the index, it is mentioned each and every detail. You can see examination center, how to apply, interview, examination centers, cutoff score, everything is mentioned here. So as I told you, I will try to cover important things here. Let's have a discussion. So participating banks, who are the participating banks? BOB, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, PNB, Union Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank, and Punjab and Sindh Bank. These are the participating banks. Okay. So eligibility criteria. Let's start with the first one. So first one is Indian national is eligible. Other than this, you can see Nepal, Bhutan, refugees are also eligible here. Second, age limit. The minimum age limit is 20 year, maximum will be 30 years here. When we are talking about relaxation, so yes, it is mentioned according to the rule of government of India. Lots of the points are mentioned related to the reservation or the age relaxation also. Okay, so you can see these points. Every detail is mentioned here. You can see, dear students. Now when I'm talking about here, okay, so this is for the different category. Now let's talk about the education qualification. So for the IT officer, minimum age limit is 20 year, maximum will be 30 year. Who can apply? 4-year engineering or technology degree, means BE Tech student are eligible in computer science, computer applications, information technology, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation. These can eligible here. Okay, or if you are having PG degree in the electronics or electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication, then also you are eligible here. It's mentioned here. Okay, so this is the important thing for the engineering student. Other than this, you can see if you are having marketing or HR degree, the graduate in 2-year full-time postgraduate degree, then you can just eligible here. Okay, now when I will go for the next one, this is to application fees and intimation charges. So application fees or intimation charges will be between 1st to 21st August. Both will be online payment. Okay, so this will 175 rupees inclusive of GST for SC, ST, PWBD candidates, and for all other students this is 850 rupees, dear students. Okay. Now, structure of examination is mentioned here. Pre exams in this they are having what for the post of law officer and Raj Bhasha Adhikar. It is mentioned here. I want to talk about the Main examination also this is mentioned here. So I want to talk about the IT officer. Okay, for the post of IT officer, agriculture, field officer, HR, personal officer, and marketing officer, this is the thing. What they are having: English language, number of question will be 50, maximum marks 25, medium will be English, 40 minutes will be there. For reasoning, 50 question, 50 marks, English and Hindi, medium will be there, 40 minutes duration. For quantitative aptitude, 50, okay, 50, and this will be 40 minutes. So overall 150 questions will be there in 125 minutes. Okay, sorry, 125 marks, or duration will be 2 hours. Okay, this is for the engineering students also, the for IT officers. Okay, so after that, this is for the for the main exam. Professional knowledge means your technical knowledge. They will ask, number of question will be 60, maximum marks 60, English and Hindi, 45 minutes will be there. Okay, so this is simply mentioned, dear students. Okay, so I hope this is the important thing which I cover already. Penalty for wrong answer. Yes, negative marking will be there. Cutoff score is also mentioned there. How to go, scores mentioned. What is this? The corrected scores obtained by each of the candidate in different sessions. Okay, if held, will be normalized using equi percentile method. So that is also mentioned. Examination center you can check. After that, the interview will be there. So pre, mains, and then the interview will be there, and then you can apply, dear students. So as you can see how to apply, every detail is mentioned here. You can just go through with each and every detail. As again I'm repeating the important point, fees structure already I cover. If you are having BTech in the respective branches which I told you, you are eligible here for applying SO for the IT branch. Okay, and here you can see the last date I'm repeating will be 21st August 2024, my dear students. Before that you can fill the form. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Still, if you not subscribe our YouTube channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon, and you will get the instant notification. Thank you.